Ambition is rarely the problem in British business. We see AI on every board agenda and every investor deck. And yet, research shows that 75% of UK leaders say they're falling behind. Why? Research also shows that 45% of leaders are being held back by tangled legacy tech stacks. We are trying to bolt 21st century intelligence onto 20th century infrastructure, and it's creating massive technical friction. If you want to see real value from AI, you have to move from legacy to launchpad. It means cleaning up your data flows, breaking down silos, and choosing tools that are simple enough to scale across your entire workforce, not just your technical teams. We also have to address the pushback phenomenon. 1/3 of leaders face resistance from their teams, but that resistance is usually just a call for clarity. But here is the startling part: while nearly 70% of us are actually already using AI, less than half of us actually feel effective doing it. This is a literacy gap, and for the proactive professional, it is the opportunity of a lifetime. You don't need a computer science degree to get ahead. The world's biggest tech giants, Google, Microsoft, IBM, and OpenAI, are literally giving away the keys to the kingdom. The workforce need to know how these tools make their specific jobs better. As a leader, your job is to create a responsive environment, a culture where people feel safe to experiment, to question, and to iterate. AI doesn't need a perfect environment to deliver ROI, it just needs a responsive one. Stop trying to overhaul everything at once. Focus on the systems, the behaviors, and the product choices that reduce the time between intention and outcome. Turn your legacy into your launchpad, and lead your organization into the 12% era.